Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about number instance methods. So in this video, we'll discuss about Number.prototype.toString method. So let's jump into the code. In the previous videos, we already covered about these four instance methods of a number. Okay. Today in this video, we are discussing about Number.prototype.toString method. What actually it means? It means it is returning a string representing the specified number value. What actually it means? So I will explain you. Let me create a one function name string I am giving, and in the parenthesis I am passing x, and in this I am returning x dot toString, because we are discussing about toString method only, right? So after that I will write this console. In the console.log, I will call the string function and I will pass some number like 20. Okay. So what will happen, we'll see. It is printing 20 only. So do you observe anything? We are passing 20 and we are getting 20. Let me explain again what actually happened here with the toString method. I am using this type of method, and in that I am passing this string method. So in that method I am passing this 20 as a parameter. We'll now see, we are getting 20 and we are getting the data type of 20 is string. So what actually happened with toString method? So what it is doing? It is taking any of the number which is in number format, number data type. Okay, its data type is number data type. And then it is converting into string data type, same number. Okay, for that we are using toString method. Okay, what happened to this parenthesis? How we can use this parenthesis? So let me explain that also. If you have any number, if you are if you want to convert that into any binary format or hexadecimal or decimal or octa formats, you can convert that using this parenthesis. In this parenthesis, that radix you can pass. So I will pass this to here. So now I am getting this number 20 in a binary format. Okay. So if you want to get this in like see uh, 16 I will give. It means hexadecimal. See, in the hexadecimal you are getting 14, but you are passing 20 and you are getting hexadecimal value 14. I hope you understood about this. So if you want to ask me, I will tell you that how the radix will work based on this ASCII coding. Okay, ASCII code, American Standard Code, it is a. Okay, so here you can see 8421. 8421 is one of the code format. So likewise many formats are there, but I will tell you using this. So here, yeah, we are actually passing. For example, if you are passing 2 only, so in binary format, what it will do is, in the 8 number place it will print 0, and 4 number place it will print 0, but in the 2 number place it will print 1, and in the 1 number place it will print 0. See, 1 0. Okay, before that we have 2 zeros, of course, but it's not printing. It will print like this only. We are passing 20. See, now 20 means what? Um, it is using some other kind of number format, but it is printing in binary format. You can understand that. Okay, if you have other than number, if you have other than number, some kind of data type, let me explain that. Okay, you have one string. Okay, then what you will do? Like let y equal to some a b c d e f. Okay, you have this. You want to convert this into some binary format. How you can do that? You can do that console.log and here we have one method called parseInt. Okay, what is this parseInt method? How it will work? That I will explain you later in the next video. Actually, it will convert any of the string into number. Okay, here we will pass that y, and we will pass the base, what kind of radix we want. So I want 16. Okay, then dot, we are going to convert this into hexadecimal format, right? So here I'm passing that. No, in here I want to convert this into binary format. See, now we are getting line number 201, right? I hope you understood. If you have this kind of strings, you can convert those kind of strings also into binary format or hexadecimal or any kind of. See, I will try this. See, you are getting this decimal format, right? I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.